Right now, I want $1 million US. Even some advice of the real artist progress I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist I represent.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Woo! Today we are with something random. We're just scrolling on YouTube and just come across this one. SASHAE with second Mission Bank Robbery. Yes, the plan. Yes, it's a robbery. It's a freestyle. So SASHAE, for those of you who don't know, that the name, you're not gonna recognize the face because we see her posting a few times. We see her posting a few times. So SASHAE full of lyrics. SASHAE want to kill something. But SASHAE not get the chance to kill something properly. So that one a second Mission Bank Robbery. SASHAE, big up yourself, mama. Make a jump in the one and hear the mama say, no man, let's go, no man. Bank Robbery, let's go. See her there?
Yo, SASHAE, you know, some I don't even get the loan from the bank, though.
Jano?
I don't want to start a little business, you know. Tired for work for people, you know, man.
Cho, man. That youth them are saying, you know. That's why we are up on a robbery. The bank.
The bank?
SASHAE master plan, you know?
Yeah, man.
SASHAE master plan, you know? SASHAE plan it, you know?
Yes, the man will drop the blueprint there, find him and tell him if he reach her by 6 cause me a time him.
Yo, the man will drop the blueprint for the bank. Tell him if he found us by 6. You time him. If him not reach by 6, at 6 him again. Tell him, Mr. That.
Man will drop the blueprint there, find him and tell him if he reach her by 6 cause me a time him. This have a plan out to the tip and timing. Precise, put together like my verse when my rhyme. To the amount.
She compared the planning of the bank robbery to her verse put together when she's rhyming.
We are gonna make the move by one.
I don't want to start a little business, you know. Tired for work for people.
Alright, let's get the plan now.
Show, man. That youth them are saying, you know. That's why we are up on a robbery.
I love a story. I love a story in the music. I love it.
Yeah, man. Yes, the man will drop the blueprint there, find him and tell him if he reach her by 6 cause me a time him. This have a plan out to the tip and timing. Precise, put together like my verse when my rhyme. Today a Monday, we are gonna make the move by Wednesday. We have 2 days to plan, so me no want to see no feds there. Listen up, let me tell you what my meds there. By the time the move done, we live where the bigger heads there.
By the time the move done, we live where the bigger heads there. Hi.
We make the move by Wednesday. We have 2 days to plan, so me no want to see no feds there. Listen up, let me tell you what my meds there. By the time the move done, we live where the bigger heads there. First day, we scope for the place for the mission. Precision, everything have to capture in our vision. Know everything about everybody, down to religion. Then get back to me and make me make the decision.
But yo, she said know everything about everybody, including them religion. So we want to know where them piss, where them shit, where them eat, and where them sleep. One funny move and boy face. Fuck up.
Know everything about everybody, down to religion. Then get back to me and make me make the decision. Research, my count 12 camera, 2 at the gate, 2 security guard, 1 a beat.
Research, we count, how much camera she count?
Research, my count 12 camera.
12 camera, plus 2 security guard at the gate. But don't worry about one of them, because one of them a bait, one of them a pussy like we are not every girl. SASHAE! SASHAE! This look like it's nice. Guys, drink on the water, it's good for you.
Yo, SASHAE, you know, some I don't even get the loan from the bank, though.
Jano?
I don't want to start a little business, you know. Tired for work for people, you know, man.
Cho, man. That youth them are saying, you know. That's why we are up on a robbery. The bank.
The bank? You crazy?
Yeah, man. You see the man will drop the blueprint there, find him and tell him if he reach her by 6 cause me a time him. This have a plan out to the tip and timing, precise, put together like my verse when my rhyme. Today a Monday, we are gonna make the move by Wednesday. We have 2 days to plan, so me no want see no feds there. Listen up, let me tell you what my meds there. By time the move done, we live where the bigger heads there. First day, we scope out the place for the mission. Precision, everything have to capture in our vision. Know everything about everybody, down to religion. Then get back to me and make the decision. Research, my count 12 camera, 2 at the gate, 2 security guard, 1 a bait. The other one have a strap on him right side and a wait. Make him live once him no violate. You have
so the one have the strap, you make him leave as long as him no violate. All right, Sicky, just pass the spinners there for me now. Give me the spinners, man. Come on. Give me. Thank you very much. Leave, Sicky. Leave. The other one have a strap on him right side and a wait. Make him live once him no violate. You have 9 count of a bank teller, but my only count 8. The other one a hot girl, she always late. Plus I all wanna test my feet, prepare for a heavyweight. But feel like she not cooperate cause we. Plus the all wanna test her feet. Hold on. She got 9 teller. But in fact, 8 because the hot girl always late. Because she thinks that she can make patty. She thinks that she at the center of attraction. She thinks that the work needs she don't need the work. So she always late. Furthermore, you have one whole woman that will always test me feet. If she ramp, everywhere. We is late, plus I all wanna test my feet, prepare for a heavyweight, but feel like she not cooperate. Cause we have to make the move, you know, the youths, them want live better, no don't it, no doubt about it, get the money, count it, fully back, cause we have to make the move, you know, the youths, them want live better, no don't it, no doubt about it, get the money, count it, fully back. See the list, yeah, get everything, don't let them ask them, and ask them for your box and 9 shot, now watch the cost them. Yeah, man, ask them for your box and 9 shot. No matter ask the cost, brother. Our place, man. We good, man. The list, yeah, get everything. Don't let them ask them and ask them for your box and 9 shot. Now watch the cost them. Me have some rope round the back. Yogi pass them and use the car with the turbo. So I last them. No. Yeah, man, use a fast machine, man. No matter use a jalopy run this. No. That not gonna way, brother. Use a fast car. Actually, pass the rope round the back. We have to tie up some people. And we not no cable tie. No. We not none of them. Hold on. We not none of them, yeah. So guess what? Just get the rope from around the back. You understand? Yeah, get the rope from around the back. We not none of them, yeah. Yeah, that's how we there. Yeah. Me have some rope around the back. Yogi pass them and use the car with the turbo. So I last them. No worry about the inside, man. Me done got it. Just focus on the manager in the black jacket. Me want him ID will hang pan in pocket. Fuse with the passcode at the door and crack. As a movie, in a dog. One manager ID? Yes, because I him have the scan figure in at the vault. Enter from the front, tilt your hat to the side. And I like you have for eye, but for see the door and crack. You gotta enter from the front, tilt your hat to the side. Bumbuckler, no something like that. Kit fuse with the passcode at the door and crack. You gotta enter from the. No something like that, man. No can't know that, man. Can't know big of yourself. I can't know. Front tilt your hat to the side. And I like you have for eye, but for seeing pan the camera suicide. To the left, same time you are go slide and join the line like a normal citizen abide. When the hot girl reach, lock the door for a safety. Tony I go deliver bread next door at the bakery. So by 10 the truck load and gone with the something, then we escape like we don't know nothing. Remember bringing a know from how it start till it done. Bujo I go make the first move to the security with the gun. Blacks watch the line, no make nobody run, cause we can't make nobody escape until it done. A bank teller, I go press the panic button like a coward. We have less than 30 for the feds of the place fully covered. So I move to the man with the ID. Less than 30 seconds. With the mole provide me. Cause we have to make the move, you know. The youths, them want it better, no don't it. No doubt about it. Get the money, count it. Fully back. Cause we have to make the move, you know. The youths, them want it better, no don't it. No doubt about it. Get the money, count it. Fully back. Everybody good, clear on the plan. Cause tomorrow we'll take action. Ready up. Story of Buckler to be continued. I don't want to think other one. I like story, dog. I love a story, bro. That story I'm well put together. SASHAE, you're mad talented, mama. Big up yourself. Facts, big up yourself as well, my G. Big up yourself. What can I say? SASHAE at them. Robbery. Rob them pussy. Robbie pussy them, SASHAE. You know, madness in here, man. Yes, yeah. But let me know what you guys think about this one, though. I'll leave this one. I'll leave a link to this one in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think down there. I'll catch you down there. Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm Solomon Vice of the Real Artist Progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real Artist represent.